ginawa mong pagpuga, Mang. Pero sa isang banda, ayos na rin yun dahil magkakasama-sama tayo ulit.
Tama yun naman. Basta't sama-sama tayo, mas big time ang deal natin. Saka malay natin. Baka dumating na lang araw na angat na tayo.
Unahin ko munang tumila si Arthur ko. Tsaka na natin isipin ang lakad natin. Pero sigurado ako, magkakasama pa rin tayo.
Eh, di ayos na! Okay! Si Tommy.
Antonio, pinabibigat mo lang ang kasalanan mo. Alam mo yun, pare. Kaysa mapatay ako sa loob, inabuti kong tumakas. Para makalaban ako ng parehas. Baka hindi mo alam, wanted ka na ngayon. Kaya ano gusto mo mangyari? Bakit kung matatapit ka rin mag-pulis? Sa kanal na rin ka na matatagpuan. Ngayon, sasama ka sa akin. Magbibigyan kita ng proteksyon. Pare, hindi ako pwede sumama sa'yo. Magiging walang kwenta ang anak ako. Kapag hindi ko inanap ng katarungan ng pagkamatay ng ama ko.
Vocalist and the main visual of this group.
Teka muna pare,
Hello, I'm
hindi pa tayo
David
tapos
L,
eh.
and I'm the main vocal of this group.
Hi guys, I'm Wilson, and I'm the vocalist and the performer of this group. Nice to meet you guys. Nice to meet you all.
Hey, what's this about? Congratulations! You are part of this group, and the process of this. I mean, when did the group get started? How were you guys formed? How did you find out about this group? How did you audition?
We were named as Horizon, but the others who signed the contract for another group, that's how we were formed. So, kami pong lima yung pumirma sa contract.
Pero nung nakita ko si Maki, parang gusto mong pakakita.
Ako din.
Para bang may parang, uy, ay mo to, di ba? But, so when you guys joined the competition, and then top 7, they became Horizon. And then you guys, para bang, okay, you're not part of the top 7. You guys never gave up. You continued on with your career now. What was the inspiration behind it? What was the driving force behind it?
So that, nung natalo kami sa Dreammaker was our biggest heartbreak actually. Pero now that we're formed as New Age, syempre, kailangan din namin mag-strive to thrive sa future, diba? So we're almost constantly helping each other every day, motivating each other, and yeah, just fighting to...
So mas may angst kayo. Kumbaga, no? I mean, there's a little angst there because you didn't quite win the show, but then got chip over my shoulder.
Yeah, work harder.
Yeah. And then,
Glad that we didn't even made it to the final lineup so that we got all together.
And then when you guys were formed, how was the first day? Saan yung, kumbaga, where did you guys go?